Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an essential topic to discuss for all you iPhone users out there, the Apple ID. In this video, we'll dive deep into what an Apple ID is, its significance, and how you can make the most of it. So, grab your iPhones, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's get started. What is an Apple ID? Alright, let's start with the basics. What exactly is an Apple ID? Well, think of it as your digital passport to the world of Apple. Your Apple ID is your unique identifier, allowing you to access and enjoy a wide range of Apple services and products seamlessly. With a single Apple ID, you can shop on the App Store, access iCloud, use iMessage and FaceTime, and even purchase music and movies on iTunes. It's your one-stop ticket to everything Apple offers. Setting up your Apple ID. Setting up an Apple ID is a breeze. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Sign in to your iPhone. If you don't have an Apple ID yet, tap on Don't have an Apple ID or forgot it. Follow the on-screen prompts to create your Apple ID. Make sure to use a strong password and keep it secure. Remember, your Apple ID is valuable, so treat it like your digital wallet. Managing your Apple ID. Once you have your Apple ID set up, it's crucial to know how to manage it. You can do this by going to Settings and tapping on your name at the top. From here, you can update your personal information, change your password, and even manage your connected devices. It's a good practice to review your Apple ID settings regularly to ensure everything is up to date and secure. Security and privacy. Speaking of security, Apple takes your privacy seriously. With features like two-factor authentication, you can add an extra layer of protection to your Apple ID. Two-factor authentication ensures that even if someone knows your password, they won't be able to access your account without your verification code. Troubleshooting and recovery. Host. Now, what if you forget your Apple ID password? Don't worry, Apple has you covered. You can easily reset it through the Forgot Apple ID or Password option. You'll receive instructions on how to reset your password, and you'll be back in control of your Apple ID in no time. Conclusion. So, there you have it, the lowdown on Apple ID. It's not just a username and password, it's your gateway to the Apple ecosystem. Keep it secure, manage it wisely, and you'll have a seamless and enjoyable experience with your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow iPhone users, and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.